guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon garlic tahini dressing. Now, if you just watched my grilled cabbage recipe, then this is the tahini dressing that I'm using in that video. It's absolutely delicious over that nice charred cabbage, and you guys are going to love it. Best part though, this dressing can be used for tons of things, so if you have no interest in my grilled cabbage, you could still love this recipe and use it on other vegetables or even on chicken or meats. So you're going to start with a cup of a tahini and just pour it right into your mixing bowl. You want to make sure that you get all of it. Tahini could be a little sticky and stick into things. After that, I have about 2 cloves of garlic that I just minced up real good. And then I'm going to add the juice from 2 whole lemons. If you don't have actual lemons, you can go ahead and put in some lemon juice here. But I actually like to just use real lemons. Why use the fake stuff when you have the real stuff? So 2 whole lemons, just get all that juice in. Ooh, I got squirted. And there's only one more ingredient after this. After you have that lemon juice in there, you're going to want to just kind of stir it up really nice. And then the final ingredient is a little bit of cumin. I would say about a ½ teaspoon or so, but just a little bit of dash, and then really mix it in good with the tahini. Now, if you want your dressing to be a little bit thinner, then you can absolutely add in a little bit of cold water. Just add it in slowly as you go, and then once it gets to the consistency you like, stop adding. And that's it. That's how you make my lemon garlic tahini dressing. It is absolutely delicious. You guys are gonna love it. So good. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.